Paulo's biggest revelation, SB19's Philippine Arena concert almost a year in the making. Direct Paulo Valenciano has just dropped a bomb. He revealed that the SB19's Philippine Arena concert is almost a year in the making. So when SB19 has announced that their Simula at Wakas World Tour kickoff concert will be held at the Philippine Arena on February 13, 2025, matagal na pala nila itong napag-isipan at pinagplanuhan kasama si Direk. It is safe to say na they have planned this since the third quarter of last year. Malaking pasabog ito lalo na't marami sa kabilang bakod are accusing SB19 na nagka-idea lang daw dahil sa kanilang idols, when in fact Philippine Arena was already in SB19's plans. One thing about SB19, they don't do things just to copy anyone or para higitan ang iba. Their competition is only with themselves, kaya naman ang motto nila ay higitan kung anong sagad na. They don't do half-baked events or projects at wala sa kanila ang okay na to mentality. Kaya bago pa nila in-announce ang Philippine Arena concert, lahat ay prepared na. Kaya kitang-kita yan sa nangyaring concert, from overall design, production, and their performance, lahat was near perfection that it is now considered the best concert by a Filipino artist.